Carolina. He and I went got it, hauled it back. It was a crusty, rusty, crumbly shell when we got it here. And what you see is everything we've been able to do in the past few years here at school. The Skills USA Club, the kids, everything we've done has been based on donations and work that we have done to raise money. Donations from people like you and the Corvette Club. Thank you so much. I want you to see where your dollars are going today. Take a look at these guys. You see these fine young Americans. That's because they're Americans. They're not Americans. They can get it done. Back in the USA, where we're going to take pride in our work. We still do that. Come and see us, and thank you for being here so much. We depend on you. God bless you.
Okay, everybody, it is that time again, door prize winners. So we're looking for some door prize winners, lucky door prize winners. So car number, lucky winner. Car number 23, you're a winner. Car number 25 is a winner. Car 31 is a winner. Car 33 is a winner. Car 38 is a winner. Car number 42 is a winner. Car number 50 is a winner. So please come on up front, left of the registration area, under the tan tent. Jerry's up there to validate you and guide you to the prize table. We've got tons of nice prizes still available. Tons of nice door prizes. We've got an auction as well while you're up there if you want to take a look at some of our auction items. Auction items are on the free tables behind registration, so we're going to do a live auction today around 1 o'clock. Live auction will take place. As well, registration is going to be closing here in about another hour and 20 minutes. So around noon, registration is going to close. Immediately after that, we're going to ask if you have all your judging ballots in at 12:30 today. Judging ballots in at 12:30. And then at 12:45, we're going to start the loud exhaust competition. 12:45 today. And then once again, 1 o'clock, we'll go to the auction. So that's kind of how things are going to roll out. Awards will be after the auction around 2 o'clock. And just so you know, our food vendor, Doco Smoke, is serving barbecue. There's to the right of registration down in front of the school, so you can get lunch at any time. As well, Coda Ice has just arrived. We serve tropical ice. So Coda Ice is now arriving, so I'm sure we'll have their operations set up shortly. I want to thank Stivers Chevrolet for being our primary sponsor and as well affording us all these great coats that we're giving out today. So we've got thousands of dollars per in the store at the entrance of Base Hall. So when you go in the entrance of the far right school, Base Hall entrance, when you go in there, restrooms are in there. You can use the restroom. Looks like the weather's going to be great today. Tickets to buy or just register your car. We appreciate it. So all your hard-earned money is going to a great cause. So we've got all the students down here. Doug's got all the students down here. They're playing around with a couple of toys. Got a C3 Corvette down here. Got a couple other HC vehicles down here on display so you can kind of see what the school's playing around with and what the students are learning. So come on up front here. Check out what Doug and the team have got going on now. That C3, for those who were here last year, in previous years, that C3's made quite a bit of progress since last year. I was noticing earlier when I was looking at the car that I was surprised of all the progress that it's made. So, made some nice progress. Obviously, it's only getting worked on as donations come in and as support comes in. So, they don't have an unlimited budget for restoration. And It's all being done based on donations and help. So, as Doug said earlier, they ran out of money in February. They're flat broke now. They had to push the car, had to tow the car here. The car couldn't even afford gas for the car, so they had to tow it here today. Doug was towing that C3 today earlier. So, anyway, we appreciate you coming out today. Appreciate you braving the weather. The weather's going to be fabulous. It looks like all the way through the end of the door prizes. We're still waiting for people to claim. So there's probably about 20 cars we're looking for still. Your door prize card number is on the board up. Okay, so we're still looking for a bunch of raffle, a bunch of door prize winners. So we got Melody up there at the door prize board. We're still waiting on a bunch of people to claim door prizes, and I'm gonna give a bunch more away right now. So, for some of you that just came in recently, card number 129, you're a winner. Card number 126 is a winner. Card number 124 is a winner. Loud and Golf competition is going to start here in a couple minutes. We're going to call you up here in about 5 minutes. We're going to start calling people up and start Loud and Golf competition here in front of the DJ booth. We're going to bring all of you up, and you know, we asked if you have a street legal exhaust. I know there's a lot of different interpretations of street legal, but obviously open headers doesn't qualify for street. Looks like it has $35 on it, but
every time I turn around, $1,000. But it's gonna look like this.
Exactly, it makes you happy, so yeah.
That's something I can ride around in. You know, most people got these race cars and high rides. Put the garage and take to the garage.
I can't, yeah.
I get in the garage and park and do that.
That's your baby down there.
I drive it.
I was eating lunch with Cam Newton yesterday, and well, we were on the internet, and I was looking at a picture of him on the internet, and he told me this was worth a lot. So anyway, now I'm not sure of all the autographs on here. Jim, you know any history on that? What year team or that's a current? This team's record. I guess that's pretty much the Super Bowl for these teams. That's 7. 7 on here. How about 8? 8 here. And Trump will probably pay a mint. So if you can buy these, you can sell these to Trump probably. Okay. His attorney will send you a check. Somebody will send you a check. Not sure where it's coming from, but anyway. So how about $10 for some picture albums? $10. Stormy Daniels collection. $10. $10. Anyone want to give us $5? $5. Come on, that's a dollar. That's nothing. That's like pennies. You can do that. $5. Okay, James will give us $5. $5 looking for $6. 5 going once. 5 going twice. Sold to James for $5.